Hello Space Savers! Welcome back to the show where some random Norwegian guy on the internet teaches you how to fold stuff. Today we're gonna have a look at socks, the rose fold that I call it in particular. Why is it advantageous over regular, just take the socks like this and be done with it? Well, two reasons. First off, not good for the elastic to stretch it all the time. Also, if you have a thicker sock, gonna stretch it out even further. Secondly, takes a lot of space, doesn't look good at all. It is fast though, I'll give it that. The one I'm going to teach you is this one, as you see here, and my little display here. This one stacks nicely, saves a lot of space, doesn't take a lot of time, and it looks like a bouquet of roses. So let's get into it. How are we going to do this? Well, it's going to be very simple. First off, we're going to start out by laying both socks flat like this. I recommend that you put the heel down. You can kind of train your socks to do this if they tend to lay like this instead. Massaging them a little bit and forming the sock so that it lays down like this. Anyway, let's get into the fold. I'm going to take one of the socks and place it on top of the other like this. And then we're going to take the top sock here and fold it out 90 degrees, about the middle. Usually it lands at just where the heel meets the other part of the sock. If you have thicker socks, you may need to go further down. If you have really long socks, again, you can go a little bit up. You'll have to experiment with that. So from the bottom of the feet here, toes, we're gonna start rolling the sock up like this. Now you wanna roll both at the same time. You don't need to roll it super tightly, but not too loose either. If it's too loose, it's just gonna end up stretching on the elastic band up here again. But not too tight either, not good for the sock. Just a slight tug, I like to say. So once we reach the top here of the first sock, you're gonna lift up the entire thing like this. And then you're gonna take this floppy part on top and you're just gently gonna flip it over the rest of the sock like this. And you have this beautiful rose. As you can see, sometimes it doesn't stand on its own very easily. And then I just like to just flatten it out a little bit on the bottom. That way you could put it in a system like this one. As you know, this is from IKEA, but you can use anything. You could even place it in your drawers directly. I like these ones. If you want them, I'm gonna link in Amazon so you can check it out. Let's do it one more time just so that you can get it into your fingers there. As with all folds, it takes a little bit of time to get it right. I know it can be frustrating to learn some new stuff. Maybe you're going to be very tempted to just do the simple one, but just do it a couple of times and I think you will start to enjoy doing laundry more. So putting one on top of the other, folding out like this, and from the tip of the toes, we're going to start rolling it up. As you can see, once you get it into your fingers, you can do it pretty fast. Just lift it up and flip it over, and we are done with that one as well. I'm going to make an entire guide coming up here on how to reorganize your dresser and maybe wardrobe as well. So we will go from messy dressers to, I'll teach you some folding techniques and then we'll fill it back in. I'm not entirely sure when it will be done, but it should be pretty soon, probably a couple of weeks. Until then, if you want to download some cheat sheet for how to fold the socks, I am going to make it and put it in the article. Article is probably going to be something like organizing.tv /fold -socks, I think it will be. So yeah, for now, thanks for watching this sock video, and I will see you in a couple of days with another folding video.